How to cancel Expedia reservation. In order to cancel an Expedia reservation, log into your account. First thing first, you want to log into your Expedia account. Once you're logged into your Expedia account, what you want to do is here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap the chip section from the bottom of the page. Now, you want to select the specific reservations like hotel, flight, or package you wish to cancel. Select the specific one, then select change or cancel and allow and follow the prompt. The system will outline any applicable fees, policies, or refund amount before finalizing as well. And if you booked a package, you must cancel your flight and hotel separately. And you will receive an email confirmation for your cancellation as well. And if you cannot cancel online, within 24 hours of travel or a non-refundable booking, you may need to contact an agent via chat or phone as well. And that is how you're supposed to cancel Expedia's reservation. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.